time and in the okano ebrebino on say boy bra intina no pe na me busa say imagine senka campaign ni mumpo or those all pe abato and na okasa say ya ebi ananka dru ba bi o yentie currently the waka fa boko ho Nhyira John Mahama
Kusasis and Mampusis to give peace a chance. We cannot accept this currency. Brothers and sisters,
delegation from the Savannah region strongly condemned the killings.
I take this occasion to appeal to our brothers and sisters, Kusasis and Mampusis, to give peace a chance. We cannot accept this current situation where students are shot in school and killed. We can't accept the current situation where teachers, public officers have all run away from Bawku because they are afraid for their lives. And we have given the mediation effort to Otumfo, and he has briefed me constantly on the progress that he's been making. And we are almost there. And so the current fighting and killings can only be done by people who want to derail the mediation effort.
Meanwhile, the rising insecurity in the conflict-prone
Nhyira John Dramani Mahama Kofi on say the demeanor of the president now. I was wishing sen kasadi we and uncle Becca asabreno because okradi ofri ho ni nuanu omuntu omu kasadi.
Yeah,
it's one of the best thing that I mean if sen ko betimi aya abroso
on say the statement say utie kona nim kroka said they should copy what they go just have enjoyed over the period like peace I kosu ogonja no near that you know he's a gonja man.
Yeah,
so cancer no na me who say and I utie ni voice no so I think he's humbled by now the situation at hand.
There's a unye president that won't criticize.
One one can say they are affecting. Drew Crona no can want to be because listen to the power he was talking with in opposition. That when we come, MPP no power or more Emma Bawku situation. There's no peace in Bawku. And look at the power, the strength he talk with. And when he's calling for peace, the demeanor, it tells you something. The reality checks, they be ana meka say eno na ma who say ade say pa na etie na wo bedru ha na who say na etie
but some no experience not to have said that.
No, he underestimated what was happening
really?
At Bawku. Yes,
because somebody or no dear onimo because Nana Akufo-Addo ain't free enough.
Yeah,
it be a obesoso ano.
Yeah,
but we do free ho.
Yeah.
What's your chain will be our wahibia? And
when Ghanaians were getting to the elections, no Ghanaians were afraid say I'm sure any answer no peace ama. A bear affected elections no cry in terms of yepe asumdua about for nature no man. Mind you rea e wa about for no cry kakrebi. Enka about for commisa mo yes because of security nti wa hwe omuntu ana monko.
Right.
But ni nyina mu no they were able to conduct elections at the place. And the outcome e buy no so it was telling you said there is some political tone. Now, enuna sometimes kind politicians they take it now. What can be saying when we say social media they are bashing you and all that.
No.
As to the votes that Bawumia got. You see, comparatively, all day to the Akufo-Addo and those areas. Anytime our issues near rising, or the politics be real. Any votes like Bawumia, MPP saying Nyani and DCA, it tells you something. So you see that one side trusted that ebia omufin say ha na say omukwa ebeboa wom. I have one to say ha and omukwa ebeboa wom nso obi e pen de. Banana eden na me abedru ha. Eye because ye fin say ye betumi ahodi certain situation e dey take advantage. Ye benyam faso obi afiri bibi ekoso mu and security experts in the kind or see whenever there is war and to kwesi bi obi nyamu faso and you obi dream say ma men use sa opportunity infa enye me bibi say be ya ebe ko to my advantage, but at the end of the day what the fan say his excellency
jina ho mami ma enya di we quick on Instagram.
Okay
abusia bra Facebook na men share wade asema ye ka no maka just say aha obetimi a share opinions, we respect that. but share now the facts about me be chiro de ntia me say and NDC for nim me say kosasi for dodo na to my NDC.
Yeah.
Because some of the politics, I'm telling you, they know, they cannot dispute. Now, Yanko 2020 election, Yanshan and Ekufa do nyai. You be a beba Dr. Baumia Dieso. Bra Facebook here, the two is here. Wa, Mr. Mumra, Momesha, the Adoko 2020 at that time. Number consem and sorry, Bibrisa. Now, what the bad, but today, 2020 MPP. Che. Garu constituency.
And a John Mahama in another Danko Kufuadwa. Nana in 2020, total vote. John Dramani Mama 6 constituencies in now 138,141. And the Kufuadua 81,115. Nana Garu constituency. Nana Danko Kufuado 8,600.
MPP at that time.
Yeah.
Miss MPP for Mutuma MPP Nana Kufuado.
Yes, in 2020
was 8,000 what?
8,683.
Bawku Central. So John Mahama at that time NDC nyase.
And NDC 27,100.
But you take note of the names. Take note of the names. Bawku Central at that time Nana Kufuado enya almost 20,000.
Yeah.
Bawku Central.
Just about 7,000 different. 20,000.
Yeah, back way back just 4 years. Let's look at the other one.
And so 20,000 against 14,000. So Mahama 20,000, Kufuado 14,000.
Kosiga constituency
20,000. Mahama against Kufuado 12,000.
Kosromaye Binduri so Nana Kufuado nyase at that time.
Binduri.
She ne wahano.
Okay, Binduri so no 19,000 John Mahama against 10,000.
It's just say now Zebulon
so 33,000 against 15,000. I say Nana Oshemwa almost every Aibiano Nana Danko Kufuado cross 50%.
Nana Kufuado at that time
John Dramani Mahama vote.
Oh yeah, dear.
Yeah.
MPP ya dear too. 2020 no MPP. Yeah, dear pa.
Yeah.
But all of a sudden,
yeah.
Yanshe 2024 elections.
And now let's not forget and so say Nana Danko Kufuado wasn't from the north there.
Yeah.
It is answer no more canny. Then we're going to look at other figures. Been so yeah, they better once. It yanko next one.
Yeah, 2024 elections. Dr. Baumia. Yeah.
It Baumia Dienini. It is already John Mahama 20,000 as against Baumia 3,000.
Okay.
That's still the MPP. John Mahama Bawku Dieno 26,000 against.
That time na Akufo-Addo nya 20,000.
Yeah.
Baumia ne Eswati
abafem.
Okay.
Nana Tempani so 23,000 against 7,000.
23,000.
John Mahama 23,000 against 7,000.
Okay.
And okay, Jeff Kosroma me.
Kosro.
The Kahono. Pusiga. John Mahama 22,000 against 10,000. That of Baumia Binduri.
I said Binduri so can baby almost so almost share Binduri side issue no. Binduri
Binduri ni Nalerugu ni Zebula constituency 41,700 against Baumia 4,000.
So you see, and clearly no me say
it was a hotspots no Zebula Binduri and the other we know
and these are the fact checking here they to so amount. Bra Facebook never share. True, Dr. Baumia recorded 0 votes in some polling stations in Bawku.
Enti nana obe to me, yes, and also ni.
Any idea to some patch of Bra Facebook. Enti me say, I like it. Oh Facebook, I bet me actually what we respect it. But me debiano me say, oh can back it with facts.
Yeah.
MPP had never recorded 0. Had never recorded 0.
Yeah.
A woman say NDC for the winning, but now MPP for to me push it.
Sure.
But for the first time in the history of Bawku, under Dr. Baumia, because of the political undertone,
he got 0-0.
Police stations in the never to so ha. Nyorugu police station.
Baumia enya 0. Mahama 464.
0.
And
Fabio.
Palugu checkpoint. Checkpoint 1 0. Baumia. Mahama 450. And Yanko another one.
Palugu Primary School. A honor 0. Mama 305. Hey. Baumia 0. And Avion Dango. And also Baumia 0. 0. Kosro Anasa.
And let me say
So these are some of the polling stations, and you're normal.
Sure. Yeah.
And you're normal.
Actually, will say, and you're normal.
And you're normal. But I am telling you, say, Ukoma, the undertone was that it was Kosasis, those areas, they were highly Kosasi pro.
Yeah.
Recently, a Kusasi guy wrote to say, Yetuaba Mao in the name say there will be peace. So we are expecting you to provide that peace. I think my culture say, at the end of it, me a solve. Just say, first of all, President G2 say, one can say ye. The Atosu Mienu of Fred Dr. Baumia say, Yenia, baby, Adri. Ebi amanyosem de
yenkam na
nanso yenkam bom ne nyina nkasa se Ghana fo na yemfrem panyifo mienu yi
eno
montena se constantly because baby adru no in diplomacy efre bibi track 2 diplomacy and they understand you can track 2 diplomacy track 2 diplomacy ni say yemfa akire ne enko kasa because asa afanu ni nyina no bia koma wosoro inti yasuma wo bia na bia woni pus ye kan se kusasifo no kasa oni mpanyifo ne kasa oni bia omomu wo influence ne kasa na obi su ni obi kasa wo mamprusi akire ene e fa ne track 2 diplomacy inti obon se omunya pia ya kasa
obi a te de so
o dey say sa akwete say aware na say relationship
and to kwa bana dum nyina etina hwa ye ya na hadwen
ti obi abuafu
ti ye de we hye ya wada na ye de be man so ahye fia da obi abetie ne de
ti say de amoye obrai o say a wo de braha etire enti we be ka de
na we
so aka ne de
sure
eto bi kra na abufo wo ho but you can say producer mu ne no maka me da wo de to bo ase e ba ye be ansa eno bi na yewura anopa ye hirawo
sure
Mumien kano krese mamprusi kusasi ntokwa no de amana ye din eya amanyosem
I know they are political
eye NDC ni MPP asem e wasa NDC for gitum so ma nya de wasa de no ho eni kwan so mu kasa mamprusi baumia na ehya ase because issue no it moves beyond that problem ni nyina ye obia se opeso osi obia so pese ne hene and they are powerful over the other. Obi so say asase ne ye ne dia. And na mo ya hoho. Sa issue we ye intimi solve it. This omu mienu. Because military babu ma babu mu say. Military babu bitu obebu mu to ase.
Okwesi say.
Enkra no say ya na abaye omu.
Aje unya wo ho ntiase.
Tise munya eno so na aye din.
Ntiase no na aye din. But see ye politics ni free man na a bit me possible as you are saying we say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia and you know man side and
the father you don't understand politics. Intina you are my friend but you don't understand because we NDC ninti we can't want to say Mama politics crowding money dodo. So when we are discussing important issue you think everything is what do you mean by because MPP anya de ninti where MPP anya de MPP nya vote and I'm giving you precedent to tell you say this was a special case in Bawku.
In fact they compare 2020
you don't understand what we are talking about
Yama 2020 data no
who says Bawku MPP phone ni ho who says Kosasi MPP phone nya Kosasi for but this one I will tell you on authority say Kosasi for no me MPP phone po omutu tia MPP and omu mpanyifo mu nim sa de we omu nim de making
sure
It meant now because of Pedro Mahama and NDC asem. We are talking about an issue where the politics. And don't say Omanya Dientia there be. I'm telling you, say simple so Omanya die na anya kosasi ni mamprusia ka Dr. Bomio nya zero.
Yeah. Serious na udi o mechi ya
I want to educate you because you see the reason why I need time will respond if you respond but on a learned person omo masua de na omo twist information omo dangerous omo masua de na asem ye no kreba because of politics no omo dangerous omo dangerous so one timi am break you omo down omo make us asem na show mutrim say Bawku de no because MPP anya de ntia no Bawku de no they know it was different. It was purely political.
And even at all, Baumia was from one side, which actually Anya Shikrano. e ka ni nuanum bi wo mu a kombeto ama no so why the zero?
Police station or number for you.
So why the zero? You know, they should understand the dynamics now.
They should understand when we are talking about security issues. They are not
very delicate.
It's delicate.
Very delicate.
The reason why they are politics now call for a share, and then so they are here who the crown say try to now more MPP and NDC in nature. You emranten so now so sumo. Can I say the name see what asante bono?
Yeah.
I say intiminka.
Youth no so musu anani escalate
social media na yenyina ya bono ya asante na afi ye di bibia bechichim
ajiegu.
Aye den ne bai. Bono fo bebre wa ha. O hwe akan nature no kra yenyina fi bono.
Yeah.
If you look at the history, say ye ni anom. But say drum ya chichem na we ka we no anyway ka we na we afa we na mrantie na we say stopping no. Asamo ba ahemfo ne be protect wo mo.
Oh yeah.
Wa wo tie akire na wo fight no. Wo ne ba ye bebo.
Ono oni hwe no.
The way amrantia yesua de pa yema politics etata. Eya na eyeme ya tribes no.
Yeah.
Krati ni pa na wa ma tribe. Hwe be proud of who you are.
Sure.
Me asantini masanti semu hia me. We are going to near same here.
Sure.
We are Zimania Maunzima same here.
Right.
But to promote the development of your tribe and not to fight.
Sure. They forget those basic principles and they how be braver.
And that is why for the first time I am happy to say Yenya Asante for my 20-year MPP.
Oh yeah.
I am there. Yenya Asante for something because me NDC ni. I am there. I was here Timinya when I for be brain so amonso mutimi kase yeni ano angrafo muntie monso next election muntutuntia NDC for no muntutuntia de ko mo yesana na akwete se mo de muntimi nsesa. You get the point?
Yeah.
We need to get to that level to say at least MP before NDC for Asante Memo timia mo be 7 constituencies and over meboa I was saying na memu so mututia NDC because development be brain koso.
Yeah, it's true.
What do you say? At least Asante Memu, Asante need to meet to tia NDC MPP. Next year,
yeah.
That is how it's supposed to be. Not because of where you are coming from.
Yeah, the engineer, yes, so
let us stop this. And Mrantia now, more they tribe now, more create unnecessary tension. Munyai.
Serious, very serious. But I think, say, see, I know the ebe here say mediation ne koso na ese nana. Omutumi ebuama ne koso ye because sa brutality ye be ko ye be se enforce ye yesi na ye kan no nipa dodo se na ye betumi a won be wu afiri sa ade we mu
Sandy Kujo ya nkaso say I am in Japan but they are teaching junior high school students how they will make peace with USA.
Wow.
During the 1948 war in Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki also muko bombe ho.
Yeah.
And we a whole thing. But Omugusu yes asundie because on minor drew asundie. This time yema NCC for nko.
Yeah, no me education.
Yema bokone kusasi for kra nye show mom.
Yeah.
Na omu nyina hu se enia no ba ko.
Sure.
What you say? I was here yen samo omu nyina hu se ye enia. Chese se kra de be yanka mamprusi ni kusa no mu ware no mu nyenye mu ho. What you say? Aha,
wakonta no wasi wo.
Wakonta no mo nyem kusasi for mo ware mamprusi for. Mamprusi for mo ware wo mo.
No.
O de so mo mo ba santima bo nya mamprusi for. E ko kusasi for bebre o mo ho fefefe. Kusasi for so mamprusi o mo ho fe.
Oh sure.
O mo ho fe. Mamprusi ni kusasi for. O mo ho fe.
Yeah, o ye fine.
Mom na mo ware mom. O ti ase. Ntu ba hu a ofiri hin oba ni firi mamprusi. Be ma ni firi kusasi.
Eno ano no.
Nti eno ani say yi mampru kusa na kusa mampru.
Kusa mampru.
Eno ano no. Ebefa. Na bi lines no ye nim komo asundie. 03220 835 81